For question 1a, we have to use integration by part formula, which is uv minus vdu. But how do we choose u? That is why we have to use Liat, L-I-A-T-E. Then we have to integrate the left hand side and the right hand side. So we got u ln t, v t power of 5 over 5, v t power of 5 over 5, and d 1 over t. This value we have to put in the formula, which is uv minus vdu. So we got ln t times t power of 5 over 5 minus t power of 5 over 5 times 1 over t dt. Then we got ln t times t power of 5 over 5 minus t power of 4 over 5. After that, ln t times t power of 5 divided by 5 minus t power of 4 over 5. Ln t times t power of 5 over 5 minus 1 over 5 times t power of 5 over 5. So the final answer will be ln t power of 5 over 5 minus t power of 5 over 25 plus c.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nabilah binti Shuaib. So I'm going to explain about this question. So as you guys can see this question, this is we have sine x multiple with ln cos x dx. So if we can see here is ln and also we have cos x. So how that we want to solve this, we're going to divide this two variable since we have two variable here. So we have required to change each, choose one of it to change it into any alphabet. So I'm going to choose cos x. So here, cos x, and I'm choosing any kind of alphabet that I like. So I'm going to put it as S. So here, cos x is equal to S. And then to avoid any of confusion here, we have to rewrite this question again. Sine x ln cos x, we change it into S dx. So what we're going to do here, we can determine which one is a u and which one is dv. So by using the Liat, we can use Liat. So here we know we have a log here, so log, and sine x is the trigonal. So as the Liat, we can see that L is 10 for log. So trigonal is actually at the behind of log. So we're going to choose log as our u. So as we choose the Liat here, and we have choose u as a ln s, so we have to find the du over ds. To find du over ds, ln is equal to 1 over s. As that, we move the ds to find the du. So we get the 1 over s du. For dv, we can take the rest of the from the question that we didn't choose yet. So we have sine x. So sine x dx, v is equal to negative cos x. Because sine x, when we integrate it, it will change it into negative cos x. As we determine the u, du, dv, and also v, we can insert the equation using this formula, which is uv minus v du. So here is the equation. And next, we're going to, if you can see here, we got negative cos x and also negative cos x. As previous, we have stated that s is equal to cos x. So this negative cos x, we can change it into s to simplify the equation. S negative s minus negative s over s ds. So from here, we can simplify the equation, which is s and also 1 over s. Because here is s times with 1 over s. So we can simplify it, and we will get ds. Then after simplify, we will get this equation, and this equation here we can integrate it. So ds is equal to -1. So to integrate this ds, it will produce s equal to -1. So we can convert it, and we got negative s. For this equation, we can see here is negative and negative, so we can convert it into positive. Then we can change s back into cos x, because we have stated s is equal to cos x. So ln cos x times negative cos x plus cos x. In this equation, we cannot put plus c because plus c is contained for constant. But this question, we got the limit, which is pi over 3 and also 0. So we can't put plus c in this equation. And next, so the equation will be like this. And don't forget to put the limit here. And then we will put both of this limit into the equation. And it will be like this. And from this part, why this is ln 1 over 2, and why this is not ln cos pi over 3. This is because of the trigonal function for a unit circle. If we can see here from the circle, we can see at the 60 degree, there is pi over 3, and they also state the value of 1 over 2 and also 3 over 2. And this circle can be used for cos theta and also sin theta. You guys can see? And then that's why we change it into ln 1 over 2. And we calculate all of the value, and we will got negative 0.1534 as their answer. Thank you.
For this equation, you need to know formula for completing the square. Let's proceed to the question, which is 3 minus 2x minus x squared. From the equation, we can find a, b and c value. But before that, you need to arrange the equation from the highest power to the lowest power. So the equation becomes negative x squared minus 2x plus 3, which is a is negative 1, b is negative 2 and c is 3. By using the formula of basic square, substitute value of a, b and c. Thus, negative 2 divided by negative 2 get positive 1, and 3 divided by negative 1 get negative 3. So the final answer is negative x minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 4. Because of negative sign is in front, so I change the position of it and put 4 positive in front instead of negative sign. 2b question is related with above question, which is question 1. It needs you to do completely the square. From the x plus 1 equal to 2 sin theta, we need to find the value of x, and it get 2 sin theta negative 1. Then, differentiate dx over d theta of sine, will get cos and find the value of dx. Substitute the value of x and expand the 2 sin theta with the power of 2 and factorize 4 and get 4 in bracket of 1 negative sine to the power of 2 theta. Square root of 4 will get 2, however, 1 minus sine power of 2 theta cannot be square root yet. To simplify the equation of 1 minus sine power of 2 theta, the Pythagorean identity was used. 1 negative sine power of 2 in the identity is cos power of 2. Since we have square root, so we can solve it and get cos. Next, we need to cancel the same equation, which is cos theta. Integrate 2 sin theta and theta. And next, from the triangle, find the value of cos by doing so kah and toa. To find the value of theta, the equation of x plus 1 equal to 2 sin theta was used and the value of theta was obtained. Then, substitute the equation in theta.
From this question, this is proper rational function, so we can use form of the partial fraction. In this question, have power of 2 and 3, so we have to expand first. By using the calculator, we can get the answer. Then, we have to integrate fraction one by one. We use let u for integrate the equation. After get the answer of integrate, we substitute the answer into the first equation. The final answer of the equation is shown in the slide.
Question for number 4 is a rational function. We will find that the improper fraction rational functions from the equations. As we can see, numerator is larger than denominator, which is mean the highest degree for numerator is 4 and the highest degree for denominator is 2. That's the reason why we need to use a long division method. 1 minus x power of 4 we can simplify to 1 minus x power of 2 equal to 2. Then we expand x minus x squared to will we find 1 minus 2x plus x squared. Then we expand again 1 minus 2x plus x squared. We will find 1 minus 2x plus x squared minus 2x plus 4x power of 2 to negative 2x power of 3 plus x power of 4. Simplify the equation where x to the power of 4 minus x minus 4x power of 3 plus 6x power of 2, 4x plus 1. Next, we expand the expression that we will get with x to the power of 4. The final answer for this step is x to the power of 8 minus 4x to the power of 7 plus 6x to the power of 6 minus 4x power of 5 plus x to the power of 4. The last equation we found in this step will be divided by x to the power of 2 plus 1. 1 plus x to the power of 2 is changed to easy our divisions method. Step of a division polynomial. Step 1 is arrange the terms in the descending order of their indices. Step 2, for the first terms of the coefficient, divide the first terms of this divisor. Step 3, multiply these terms of the coefficient by the divisor to get the product. Step 4, subtract this product from the divided and bring down the next terms, if any. The difference of brought down terms will form the new divided. Step 5, follow this process until you get a remainder, which can be a 0 or a lower index than a divisor. The numerator should be arranged in descending order inside the division symbol and the numerator outside our division symbol. While performing a long divisions of polynomial, there can be missing terms in the expression. X to the power of 8 minus 4x to the power 7 plus 6x to the power of 6 minus 4x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 4 is missing. In this case, we either leave a gap while dividing or we write the coefficient as a 0. X to the power of 8 divided with x to the power of 2, then we will get x to the power of 6. We put x to the power of 6 at the top of and arrange the same coefficients. Then next, x to the power of 6 will times with x power of 2 plus 1. Then we will get x to the power of 8 plus x to the power of 6 and again put 0 for missing terms. Thus we will get x to the power of 8 plus 0 x to the power of 7 x to the power of 6. We subtract x to the power of 8 minus 4 x to the power of 7 plus 6 x to the power of 6 with x of 8 plus 0 x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 6. So we get the negative 4 plus 5x power of 6 and bring down the negative 4x power of 5. Follow the process until you get the remainder is negative 4. Third step, we need to form equations from into qx minus rx over tx, which is q equivalent to q, coefficients r equivalent to remainder and d equivalent to division. with equation on the divine integrate, which is 1 and 2. Integrate the equation and apply power rule in the rule integration, except for x, 4 over x power of 2 plus 1. 4 over x power of 2 plus 1 have been seen in the formula tangent inverse, which is integration symbols over a power of 2 plus u power of 2 du. For this case, we get 4 tangent inverse x. For the sixth step, substitute the equations with x equals to 1 and x equal to 0. For x equal to 1, we will get 1 power 1 over 7 minus 2 over 3 plus 1 minus 4 over 3 plus 4 minus pi. The pi we get from the 4 tangent inverse 1, we will get, which we can get 180 if we using our calculator. But based on the definition of trigonometric functions, for a unit circle, 180 is equal pi.